Bam, look, y'all, we normally see this happen once every so often, and I don't know with all that we got coming up how it can possibly be happening like this or what Nike got going on, but something big is going down, and we're already starting to see delays. Delayed. Possibly delayed. Yes, can I speak to who's in charge? Let's talk about it. YouTube family. Shout out to the wifey real quick for making my magic work, man. What's good with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is back, and I want to chop it up with y'all here on this good Monday, man. It's the top of the week, man. Hopefully everybody is back into the workflow of things, you know what I'm saying? Your boy Jay is back, you know what I'm saying? Vibing in full effect, you know, that's why I am here with y'all, man. Thumbs it up. Let's get it started, man. Thumbs it up. I got some news for y'all. I want to talk to you guys about some upcoming things that might be going down, you know what I'm saying? It's happening right before our eyes, man. So I'm about to talk to you guys about all this updated info that I do have. Before we get into it, if this is your first time stopping through, I would love for you to stick around. Join the family. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the subscribe button if you have not already hit it. You've been viewing here and there, man. Hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Shout out to all the new members. First of all, shout out to all the OGs, man. Shout out to everybody who has been rocking out with your boy Jay. You are officially an OG if you have been watching prior to this video. So anybody who's a member of the fam right now, man, truly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for always watching. But yes, y'all, we just recently hit 169. Wow, man. So big salute, man. Thank y'all for that. 170 is up next. 200K is on the way, man. So appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all for all that y'all do for your boy Jay. But yes, we got a big discussion today. I need you guys to chime in down below in the comment section. Speaking of comment section, your boy Jay has been hitting them comment sections up, man. So if I have missed out any of your previous comments, leave me a quick reminder. Be like, hey Jay, you missed my comment, X, Y, and Z. I will be sure to get back to your comment. I don't do it purposely, trust me. I just might overlook it. I'm human, just like you. I'm human. You feel what I'm saying? But yes, outside of that, man, make sure that you guys are getting right. What I mean by getting right is you guys have the right necessities and things that you need for this summer. I'm trying to tell you guys, and I tell y'all video after video, make sure you guys do travel in the right way. Woo! And there's only one way. Bang! The Soul Premise way, y'all. Of course, I do have right here my daily commuter, which is open because I'm always putting things in here such as laces and other items, but y'all ain't worried about that, man. But the daily commuter bag is the bag that I first started off with, y'all. Now I own several, many other bags, y'all, and I do have one on the way, so stay tuned for a unboxing from Soul Premise, because like I told y'all, I've been going crazy with these bags, man. I didn't even put my wife on it. My daughter carries it. Like, my family is addicted to these bags. I try to tell you guys, and I try to put y'all on, man. This right here is the bag that I recommend you start with. This can hold 2 pairs of shoes comfortably, like easily inside of here, man. You can put a pair of shoes right in this slot here on the top. You can put another pair of shoes right there on that bottom slot. It secures it in there, as well as you got more storage space on the inside. You have, of course, place to put like chargers. Of course, it does have a laptop holder, but you can stock it however you want to, whether you want to put clothes or anything else in here. It does have a secret storage compartment right here on the back, y'all. So the daily commuter is what I started with, y'all. But if you guys been watching, y'all know that your boy Jay is a huge fan of the duffel, man. The duffel is my favorite as of right now. I take that everywhere, literally everywhere. If I'm going on a 2-day trip, 1-day trip, 3-day, 4-day trip, it handles it all. And of course, with that duffel, you can section it however you want to, so it is customized to your own personal preference, y'all. You guys can get one of those nice luxurious bags from Soul Premise today with my link that is down below in the description, or you can simply use the promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. It will save you almost half almost half off on one of those bags. It is a steal, a complete steal, man. So take advantage, y'all. If you guys are doing anything, even going to back to school, y'all, it is a perfect back to school bag. You know, if you guys want to put some gym shoes in there, and you can take off your shoes that you don't want to mess up throughout the school year, anything that you might think of, you know what I'm saying, they have bags that will cover it, big sizes, small sizes, man. So tap into Soul Premise. I don't just say it just to say it, y'all. I'm telling y'all because it is the #1 bag out there, man. So tap in, use my link down below in the description. Shout out to everybody who has been tapped in, because like I said, I go to sneaker shows and I see everybody with those bags, and even out and about, man, I run into a couple people at airports and stuff with them, man. So shout out to everybody who is hip to what Soul Premise is bringing to everyone, you know what I'm saying. But yes, with my promo code and my link, you can save almost half off. So take advantage, and yeah, man, travel the right way, the only way, Soul Premise, y'all. But outside of the Soul Premise talk, y'all, like I told y'all in the intro, this happens every so often, and I'm kind of shocked, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. Your boy Jay is kind of shocked that it is happening right now, man. Especially when we just seen, you know, a weekend that we've just had, man. Your boy Jay did a vlog, and it was kind of boring because there was no releases this past Saturday. And I'm like, okay, I think, you know, they're revving up for something big that's about to happen. And I don't know, is it something big that's about to happen, or is there trouble on the other end? So what I mean by that is, I'm wondering now if they're having any types of manufacturer issues with Nike and Jordan brand shoes leading up to releases of shoes, or maybe it might be shipment issues, which might be a big one, y'all, because your boy Jay, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. If y'all don't know, I am tapped in, okay? I am blessed. I am in a blessed situation to be able to go out and go check in with stores, maybe go in back rooms to stores. I get phone calls, I get texts, I get it all. Look, we got this in, we got X, Y, and Z, and when I tell y'all, it has been dry. What? I've been the one reaching out to my stores like, yo, y'all got anything? What's going on? They're like, nah, man, we actually don't even know what we're getting. So it's something going on right now with Nike, and of course their end, where they're revamping their system or something, to where of course the retailers that are supposed to be getting the shoes from them don't even know what shoes or when they will be getting any in particular shoes. And I don't know, like I said, y'all, if it's something on the other end of the stick, like I said, as far as manufacturing, or is it shipping, I have no clue. But I do know that there will be delays. First of all, we did just see that the date changed for the Jordan 1 first flight. Whew. Bang! These were supposed to be releasing this week. I want to say July 3rd, I want to say, was the initial date. It has been pushed back a week. I was gonna rush, y'all. I was Forrest Gumping it, y'all, to go ahead and get this reviewing on feed out to y'all, but I will still try to get it out to y'all this week. But it is releasing, I want to say, next week, y'all. So it got pushed back a whole week. It went from the 3rd to the 10th. So we now shall be seeing the Jordan 1 first in flight on July 10th instead of July 3rd. Fire Jordan 1. But yes, this is the start of the delays, y'all. So after those, of course, we were supposed to be seeing another Jordan, which was the Jordan 3 camos. I think that those were supposed to be releasing around the same time. And maybe it had been, what, the 10th or 13th or somewhere around that on the camo Jordan 3s, but those have been pushed back as well. Bang! The Jordan 3 camos, which is another women's exclusive, y'all. These have now been pushed back from its original release date to July 19th, y'all. So 2 back-to-back pushbacks, and I don't know, should we worry, should we panic? Because if you guys know, the shoe of the month in my opinion has to be the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics. Bang! Which I don't know if they'll be getting pushed back. If I had to guess, y'all, I would say we're cool. We're still on schedule unless there is some shipping delays, which is possible because like I told y'all, man, a few stores do have their pairs of the Paris Olympic 4s, but quite a few stores don't have them. And I would think that Jordan Brand and Nike would want to push this shoe out and rush it because we do have the Paris Olympics going down, of course. So I think that they're going to try to make this a shoe that comes out on time, but who knows? The way everything is going right now, it's all a toss-up, you know what I'm saying? But let me know how you feel about, you know, shoes being delayed or even pushed back, and you know, How you feel about that? Like, does it give you more time to save some bread up, or you want them now? You ready to get the shoes? You about to pull the trigger on Go to StockX or whatever, man? Y'all comment down below how y'all feel about delays. But I think when it comes to the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics, we should be on schedule still for the end of the month, y'all. So just stay tuned. If anything changes, I will update you. But as of right now, 2 shoes have been pushed back. Of course, the First in Flights and the Camo Jordan 3s, which are both women's exclusive. I mean, they're not like big retro releases, so I mean, it's nothing really to be like, you know, eye-popping about, you know, but still pushbacks. And like I said, all my stores that I deal with, people who I deal with that deal with other stores, it is dry right now. So that got me scratching my head, even so much to say my stores do not know the inventory that Jordan Brand or Nike is sending to them. So I don't know if it's something going on with shipping or what the deal is, y'all. But if it is a shipping problem, we should expect to see more delays on upcoming shoes. But as of right now, like I said, I want to say that the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics is safe. The date still remains the same. I want to say it's what, July 27th is the release date on these. But we shall wait and see, you know what I'm saying? Because anything can happen between now and then. But like I said, for sure, one thing we do know is that there has been delays started. And like I said, it happens every single year. But I didn't expect it to happen this year because they actually been on top of their stuff. But we'll just have to wait and see how everything plays out. Y'all comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Are you still trying to, you know, cop anything when they release, or do you want them now? What we doing with these shoes? But outside of that, your boy Jay just wanted to update y'all on these pushbacks, and that's what I'm doing. I gotta get out these news, man. So thumbs it up. I will see y'all back tomorrow. I got an early look for y'all, and yeah, man, we'll get to that when we get to it. But outside of that, y'all stay blessed. I'm gone. On feats will be on the way, so y'all already know it. Jay making movies. I'm out here. Peace.